The journey begins with nature's rawest offering, harvested directly from the soil.
High-velocity water currents strip away the earth to reveal the vibrant core beneath.
Inside the abrasive drum, friction does the work of 1,000 knives. Hydraulic pressure forces the raw root through precision dies, sculpting the uniform shape.
Vibration separates the Goldilocks size, not too long, not too short.
A brief encounter with steam awakens the natural sugars and sets the vivid color. An ice bath shocks the system, locking in the crunch and vibrant hue. Centrifugal force strips away every drop of water, leaving only the vegetable. Gentle abrasion brings out the mirror-like gloss of the final product. A microscopic glaze preserves the moisture and enhances the visual appeal.
Invisible eyes scan for foreign objects, ensuring absolute purity.
Algorithms calculate the perfect weight, dispensing exactly 2 pounds of nutrition. The packaging begins as a simple roll of polymer, ready to become a vessel.
Gravity feeds the harvest into the transparent vessel.
Heat and pressure create an airtight seal, trapping the garden's freshness.
Traceability is etched into every package, a promise of quality.
Cardboard transforms from flat sheets into protective fortresses. Dozens of meals are consolidated into a single shipping unit. The final seal ensures the journey from factory to table remains unbroken. Branding is applied, marking the identity of the produce. Automation builds the tower of goods, layer after precise layer. A cocoon of plastic stabilizes the load against the rigors of transport.
The final gatekeeper verifies that perfection has been maintained.
The blast freezer halts time, preserving the cellular structure instantly.
Individual quick freezing ensures no 2 carrots stick together.
Gravity feeds the frozen harvest into storage silos.
In the frozen silence, the product waits for its call to market. In the lab, science ensures the freeze did not compromise integrity. Friction removes the barrier, revealing the tender core within. Geometry is imposed by force, turning nature's chaos into uniformity. Nothing is wasted. The byproducts return to the earth. Water is the cleanser, the transporter, the lifeblood of the line. Thermal energy transforms the raw into the ready. Cold shock arrests the cooking, sealing the crunch. Rotation defeats gravity, extracting every trace of moisture.
The full touch reveals the inherent luster of the vegetable.
A veil of moisture locks in the vitality. Technology stands guard, invisible yet vigilant. A symphony of weights and measures, calculated in milliseconds. The vessel fills, a mosaic of nutrition taking shape. Heat fuses the polymer, creating an impenetrable barrier. Identity is applied, marking the passage of time. Structure rises from the flat, ready to protect its contents. Order is established within the container. The seal is drawn tight, a promise of security. Branding wraps the package in commercial identity. The giant assembles the Tower of Commerce. Tension binds the load into a single, stable unit.
The journey from production to preservation begins.
The deep freeze commences, pausing the clock of decay. Air circulation ensures no clump, no nen-yen, only individual perfection. The frozen bounty collects, a hoard of winter nutrition. The inventory rises toward the ceiling, a library of food.
The machine rests briefly, tended by its human masters.
From the earth, a transformation begins. Friction is the sculptor. Pressure shapes the form. Precision defines the portion. Dust of the vegetable rises, a byproduct of perfection.
The culmination of soil, science, and sweat.
Logistics weaves a complex web of efficiency.
Geometry meets gravity in the final stack. Tension creates strength, binding the disparate into one. The cold is contained, the preservation secured.
The brain of the operation watches over the sleep of the food.
A silent cathedral of cold, holding millions of meals. The cold chain must remain unbroken to the consumer. The frozen cargo finds its resting place in the belly of the transport. Tension holds the tower steady against the chaos of the road. The seal is broken only at the destination. 1,000 miles of asphalt await the harvest.
The journey ends where it began, with the promise of nourishment.
Freshness captured.
Machine sleeps.